Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm unboxing my SugarMuses box. Pardon me, let me get that up a little. My SugarMuses box for the month of July. I haven't gone through any of it, it's just that my address is on the top. So let's check it out. Healing Tarot. Ooh, I've been avoiding other people's videos for this exact reason. I want to be surprised. Tarot Healing. That's beautiful. She looks like the woman from Tarot Musha. So, I love the tissue paper. I love it, love it. It's very beautiful. Here's their card. And then let's shake it out. Oh, she just looks like the one for Tarot Musha. It's not, and it's one that I had on my wish list. Ah! How did you know, Christy? Now I have like the three like Art Deco decks. So I have the Tarot Musha, the Golden Nouveau, and the Ethereal Visions now. Yay! So beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm very interested to compare side by side the images. So that is really cool. I don't usually open the big item first, but it was right there and I'm really excited about it. So that's amazing. And so I'm guessing that this image is from that deck. I love these little magical sachets. I keep them year after year. The Ritual Healing Salts. This is very, very beautiful. And here's the bath salts. Let me smell them. They got a kind of a sweet smell. Okay, where am I going with this? I'm going to go to the candle. I love the candle. I've kind of gotten behind on the candles again, but I'm going to catch up. Pardon me. Whew. All right. Tarot Ritual Candle. So cool. Beautiful. Very cool. I love the smell of that one. That one smells amazing. I would venture to say that this is our stone. Let's see what it is. Very nice box. Christy, very lovely. Ooh, it looks like peacock ore, I think. No, it's not peacock. Oh my gosh. It's Apatite. I think it might be Apatite, but that'd be kind of weird because now that would be my, let's see, I don't know, 6th or 7th Apatite that I bought this month. It is just, it's finding its way to me. There's something in the air. I'm not sick, it's like dust. Pardon me. What have we got here? This looks pretty pretty. So excited. What are you? What are you? What are you? More wrapping. What are you? Hello. What are you? Oh. It's a selenite pencil. Cute. Jazmin herbal tea and tea bag. This has got a very moony feel. Okay. Ooh, incense stick. Very perfumey. Very nice. And I love the packaging, by the way. I love that. Love the bag. Oh, we got a ritual oil here. Undine, which is a water elemental, and it looks very much like perfume. Ooh, my wrist. It's not a super strong smell, so that's very pleasant. I don't like super strong smells. Let's see what our Sacred Adornment is. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Looks like an opalite set in a heart with like a really beautiful, intricate setting. I love that. This is a keeper for sure. I love it. Love it! Alright, let's look at the description. This is a great, great box. Christy, wow. So this is the tarot healing. Apparently I need a ton of healing, which makes perfect sense, and I'll talk more about that on my channel, so stay tuned. The first tarot cards known to historians that resemble elements of the modern deck appeared in the early 1400s in Italy, but it was a century or so later in France that the cards became the source of occult interest that remains to this day. The tarot is often thought of as simply a divination tool, but there are so many other ways to use the tarot deck. The universal symbolism of tarot can illuminate all aspects of our life: physical, emotional, psychological, and spiritual. The cards are a reflection of our thoughts on all levels of being and act as a sort of multifaceted cosmic mirror. Exactly. A card can be a guide in meditation and in shadow work. A card or spread can also be used to power our spells. The idea behind using tarot cards in spell and magical work is that just like we use symbols of tarot to communicate with the universe about events, we can also use them to communicate with the universe about what we want to happen. The tarot can be a powerful tool to facilitate healing on all levels of being. The ways in which tarot heals may be limitless. The art of divination itself can be a very healing process and can be incorporated with other practices and treatments such as ritual baths, aromatherapy, meditation, and visualization, along with traditional medical treatment for very effective results. When the universal life force, creative energy, is experienced in a pure, unobstructed way, it creates health and happiness in our lives. When it is interrupted or distorted, it creates negative experiences and disease. The process of healing is the process of letting go of ideas and thoughts that no longer serve us, releasing pain and fear, dissolving emotional blocks, and fueling our creative force for health and wellness. So it goes on a little bit. I'm going to get to the content. So healing bath salts, absolutely beautiful, smell great. So bathing rituals are an ancient way to cleanse yourself of negative energies and help prepare your physical, mental, and spiritual self for circle or other energy workings. Ritual bath is a rite in and of itself and can be performed with many variations at the discretion of the practitioner. So it has lavender, yarrow, and jasmine. Which is very cool. So jasmine incense sticks. Burn at the beginning of your ritual. The smoke naturally cleanses and charges your crystals, altar, and the air. So jasmine is appropriate incense choice for all types of moon magic, including prophecy, dreaming, and divination. A selenite wand. This wand fits perfectly. I thought it was a pencil. It's got this pointy at the end. This wand fits perfectly in your hand and can be used to channel energies for chakra balancing, aura cleansing, and for opening and closing circles. The tip of the wand directs and focuses energies while the round end spreads the energies. The tip of this wand can also be used as a carving tool to create spells, symbols, into candles before burning them. This stone is named after the Greek goddess of the moon. It is used for healing, directing power, and for protection. Absolutely very cool. Very, very cool. So Undine ritual oil. Undines are a category of elemental beings associated with water, first named in the alchemical writings of Pericles. Water represents the flow of the collective mind, the collective unconscious. Its energy promotes healing, tranquility, and peace. Shake gently before using. Anoint your pulse points and third eye. It contains jasmine, sea salt, kelp oils with almond and jojoba base, with vitamin E. So there's the tarot ritual candle. Hand poured, dressed, and spell created to promote insight into your tarot readings. So it's got lavender, lily, jasmine, clary sage, and driftwood oils. It's embellished with shells to align with the properties of the sea. Sea shells have a long history of magical uses as they are associated with the powers of various sea gods and goddesses. Raw blue apatite. God bless it. It is coming at me. You guys are going to see in my haul video coming up that it is coming at me. And it's good because I need it. This is a powerful stone that helps manifest truth within your body, mind, and spirit. For those who like to read the Akashic records, this stone is a natural gateway and channel with communications. This gem also opens the mind as a source of spiritual wisdom. It promotes positive thinking and dispels low vibrational thought patterns. This facilitates the throat chakra encourage you to speak your higher truth. Use Apatite to in spells to enhance intuition, meditation, creativity, insight, and clarity. It also used to enhance the qualities of other stones. This is also an extremely healing stone in a lot of different ways. So really cool. The Ethereal Visions Tarot deck. This beautiful deck was created by Matt Hughes. Pick out a card that you feel represents you. Place it in front of you facing up. And then, you know, then it's basically a spell. So you can do some... That's the whole thing is a ritual she's talking about. You can put out some healing cards. So like, for example, Strength, the Musician, the Sun, the Star, the Three of Cups. Just how you would use this. I'm probably going to use this the way that I use other tarot decks. Jazmin Herbal Organic Tea with a tea bag. So very cool. Opalite Pendant, which is absolutely beautiful. Opalite's one of my very favorite. Opalite resonates with the third eye chakra. It's said to improve communication on all levels and to remove energy blockages of the chakras and meridians. It's said to be an all-around healing stone. And then the Healing Spell Sachet. Oh, I love this. Healing often comes when we are sleeping. Sleep causes the body to release hormones that can slow breathing, lower blood pressure, and relax other muscles in the body. This process can reduce inflammation and assist with healing. This spell sachet aids in promoting restful sleep and is spell-crafted with lavender oil, dried lavender for healing and serenity, bachelor's button for psychic awareness and self-knowledge, vervain, calming and divination, angel wings, and star flowers. Add a healing gemstone such as rose quartz or amethyst, a spell coin, or any other object that has special meaning to you. Keep the sachet by your bed or place in a bowl to be used as spell potpourri. It's not for consumption. And then the art print by Christy. This month I didn't include an intuitively drawn tarot card because you have a full deck in this month's box. Take this month to practice your reading skills. I love it. Excellent box, Christy. Excellent. I mean, I love SugarMuses and I've been getting them for over 2 years. So clearly I'm a fan. And I get 2 of her 3 boxes. So obviously I love this company. I find that I use the products and I really love, I absolutely love this and it's absolutely perfect timing for me. So this was literally on my list in my Amazon wish list. Very cool. I absolutely love it, and that's all there is. So please always like, comment, and subscribe. There's so much more coming. I am behind, so I'm catching up. I also have tons of content for you guys. I love you so much, including a giveaway that's going to be coming up, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.